on the side.
On the side.
Hold it, okay? Like this.
Oh.
Or like this. Ah. Then one more. No teasing with the food. No playing with food. They can handle it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. If the food drop close to the elephant, like this, you don't pick it up.
Okay.
Okay? Ready? Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go. You can pick any elephant. Here we have 12 elephants. And the third one is the marigold.
Marigold?
And she can eat only soft food.
Okay.
No sugar cane for her.
So no for her.
This one, his name is Boom, 34 years old.
Oh, wow.
34, yeah. And here we have Lotus.
Okay.
Lotus, she's 30 years old. Yeah, she come from Chiang Mai. The rest is from Chiang Mai. Like riding. Yes. And
Oh.
one is Sky. Sky, she's 30 years old, same age. And she mama from Dubai.
Oh.
Yeah, you check just a little bit, we have more stick. We have more elephant up there.
Okay.
Okay? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. If you want to make some future photo, you can tell me. Don't
Okay.
be shy, yeah? I
Perfect.
can help you.
Awesome.
I hope
Thank
you're
you.
happy, I'm happy. Yeah, let's go.
Feed the baby.
What happened with my... Oh, that's what. It's a big...
Hi, baby. So cute. Okay, can you get...
Let's go, Mama. It's okay, Mama. Come, look. They eat 10% of body weight.
10%.
They eat 18 hours. All day.
They're like me.
Sleep 44. Yeah, me too. Yeah. And they eat, the elephant, they eat 60% of the grass, this one. Or the tree of banana or something like that. Yeah, this one. 60%. And the 30% of wheat. Wheat means any fruit.
Ah,
And
okay.
the 10% of vitamin bowl. Yes. Good digestion, the vitamin bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, you can feed any elephant. After,
Okay.
After 5 minutes like that, we go up there to the baby.
Okay.
Elephant. Yeah.
Oh.
Look up.
Oh. You know who's got it, right? You are my favorite. You're such a cutie. Such a cutie. All right, snack time.
Yeah, you can go to feed book, man. Book.
Very cute.
Get pasteurized in the eye. So when you see tears in elephant eye, they are not crying. They have enough water.
Okay, they're
If they
hydrated.
don't get that, they need to moisture their eyelid to protect the guts and the water. to get into the eye. So
Yeah.
they have one extra eyelid than us.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the vision is, that's why it's not so good in general in elephant. They only
Yes.
see sight and distance is less than 50 meters.
And then when you
And they don't
get
see many color too.
not enough water, makes
Yeah.
it worse.
So they need to drink minimum of 80 liters water a day.
80 liters.
That's minimum.
Wow.
If they don't drink it, then we make supplementary food. We add a lot of salt and we make them drink.
Now, how do we give it to her? Uh-oh. There you go.
Like that.
Oh, oh, I'm following the wrong one. I saw them leave. I'm like, wait. Hey, sweetie. There you go.
If you want to put banana, you can open little bit like this.
Oh. Oh, she's gonna break it. She said that pit's too big.
These elephants here, they have to make the program. Yeah, because they have to put the mat for them because they like for cooling down.
To cool him down. Okay.
Talk easy. Tell them to make shower.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Uh-oh. You got it? There we go. She got it. You ready? You ready?
Back from the soil, the elephant. Back from the soil of the foot, the elephant. They have to make the normal, they make the
Hello, darling. Which one? Oh, poor darling. You sweet thing. Oh, she can have more. Okay. Sugar cane? A little more for you? Oh, must be good. How about a cucumber?
That go back in the jungle.
Oh.
In the jungle.
So they can go wherever they want in the... Okay. How big is the preserve? How big is the preserve? Like the area where they can roam?
Ah, but we have up there here. Is mountain.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
But they stay
Pretty close.
They don't go now
Okay.
around. Yeah. You don't have the food, they don't go around.
Gotcha. And the little ones, they can go by themselves? Like the baby?
Yes.
Okay.
They go by
With mom?
running.
By granny. Okay.
The normal, the baby, they drink the milk of mama 3 years up to 4 years.
3 to 4 years.
But
Wow.
now the mama down there keep the baby away because she don't like to
Too old.
the baby in the world. Yeah.
Tired of nursing. Yeah. Nice. A little shower.
4 7 up. The normal they make 5 or 6.
5 or 6? Okay.
You have to make shower like this.
Times a day? Oh my gosh. Yeah, because it's hot. It's so hot.
Because they don't back from the skin. If there's back from the skin, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but there is back from the toenail
Oh.
in the ice.
Okay. That makes sense then. Have to keep them cooled off. You want a snack? A little snack? No? Maybe? There you go. Here? Here? The other side? Okay. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweet pea. Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah, we have more food. If you want, we can put more food in the bucket.
Oh, it's finished. It's finished. Take our photo and give them there.
Yeah.
Madam, you done?
I'm done.
More food, eh? More food, more food. Yeah, we can it's okay. We can go down there.
Okay. Let's see. Cucumber. Last stop. Sugar cane. You got it. Oh no. How about a cucumber? Better? Okay.
Magnets, color, paintbrush.
Okay.
So your skill.
Well,
Learning about elephant and doing painting.
the learning part I've got. The painting, not so much.
Same. I lost all the muck in the school.
Yes, exactly. They're like, is that the sun or a dog?
I think we have a generation that we study something and we never use it in our life.
Nope. I
Like
have
it's, painting now, we have a lot of photography that you can exactly make it.
I have 4 degrees. I don't use any one of them.
But I think our generation see everything and still we have a half life.
Yes, yes.
We start from without electricity, handmade muscle power, and it's got time today in machines and electric. Now come to AI and we still halfway like
Exactly.
we have 11 p.m. but let's start from today. There's nothing 11 p.m. Only
Jeez. Yeah, I have to record that. Just tell everyone, don't tell me, don't tell me. Don't talk to me. Right. Don't talk to me. You might accidentally tell me.
This year is, I think, is bigger than the average cost of this year. It's paid 48K.
Oh,
So it's